The biggest April Fool's Day pranks of all time. In 2008, BBC ran a clip of flying penguins saying that they were flying to escape harsh weather and went to the rainforest, and many people believed that these penguins were actually flying. In 1996, Taco Bell claimed to have purchased the Liberty Bell and that they were going to rename it the Taco Liberty Bell. One of the earliest April Fool pranks was in 1957, claiming that people were harvesting spaghetti crops in Switzerland. They even went as far as showing actual footage of people taking spaghetti off of trees. BBC is savage. Since 1986, New York has held a fake April Fool's Day parade. They issue press releases of this every year, and it still goes on today. In 1985, Sports Illustrated ran a 14-page spread on a guy who had a 168-mile-per-hour fastball. He claimed that it was from his meditation and that he pitched with one boot, and he carried a French horn at all times.